So guys, you want to start with an extra large men's shirt, right? So this is actually 2XL, which is too big for me. You see how big it is? So you want to take, so this is the front of the shirt, right, where the collar is. So you want to take the middle of the shirt and just scrunch it up. And then you want to, so the shirt is like this, right? And then you want to turn it 1 and 2, right? So then what you want to do is turn the shirt around so that you're putting the shirt on backwards. So see how this is? So I'm going to put my arm through one sleeve, put my arm through another sleeve. And so you want to button it. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. You want to button it in the back of the shirt, and it gives this ruffle in the middle. It's amazing because I love anything around my neck that's ruffly. So look at that look that it gives. So I found this look, several different bloggers, there's a lot of them out there doing it. But I said I wanted to show my people, right? And create this look. I just have this little black shirt on underneath, and I'm pulling it. I actually would love for it to fit like this because I love stuff around my neck. But so I put a little choke on. But so this is the look that it gives. And you can ruffle it up a little bit more. And this is how it looks like. I could button it up in the back, but this is just how it looks in the back. I can leave it open, I can button it up. So this is just how it looks. And if I want, I can add a little blazer. This is actually can be a blazer or worn as a dress. So I can add this look to it. And that way I could pin it in the back so that it stands up against my neck a little bit more because you wouldn't see the pin. So that's another look you can have. You can take a belt, tie a little belt around it. I never like to tie belts structured. I don't like too much that's structured. So I would just tie the belt just kind of like this. Or you can just wear it regular. But that's just a cool look with this shirt. I'm gonna get some more because I love this look. So there you go. What y'all think?
Go great, be chic.